Supreme Court of India Ramayan Singh vs State of Uttar Pradesh and another decided on April 19, 2024 SEC Online SC 563 Facts of the case. The appellant i.e., the original complainant, on January 3, 2022 stating that on January 2, 2022 at around 3:30 p.m., the appellant along with his uncle i.e., Jitendra Singh, the deceased, and his driver i.e., Rahul were returning from Bankati Bazaar when their vehicle was stopped by the accused persons including inter alia, first, respondent number 2 and, second, Puneet Pal. The accused persons verbally abused the deceased and proceeded to shatter the windows of the vehicle with iron rods. Subsequently they dragged the deceased out of the vehicle, and physically assaulted the deceased with iron rods, hockey sticks, and bats with an intention to kill him. The deceased succumbed to his injuries on 10 February 2022. A charge sheet came to be filed in relation to the FIR on March 14, 2022 under sections 147, 148, 149, 323, 504, 506, 427, 394, 411, 302 and 120B of the Penal Code, 1860, 1872, IPC, read with Section 7 of the Criminal Law Amendment Act, 2013. Respondent number 2 and Puneet Pal both preferred an application seeking the grant of bail in relation to FIR which was rejected by the trial court. The High Court allowed the bail applications. Findings of the court: it is well settled that the grant of bail involves the exercise of a discretionary power which ought not to be used arbitrarily, capriciously, and injudiciously. Respondent number 2 and Puneet Pal have been charged under inter alia sections 147, 148, 149, 323, 504, 506, 427, 394, 411, 302 and 120B IPC on the basis of the materials on record including but not limited to the post-mortem report, and statements of witnesses. Furthermore, on 2 occasions there have been allegations leveled against respondent number 2, and Puneet Pal, alleging inter alia that the accused persons have attempted to intimidate the appellant i.e., the original complainant and another identified witnesses in an effort to derail the trial in the present case. Accordingly, in our considered opinion, the High Court ought not to have granted respondent number 2 and Puneet Pal bail in relation to the proceedings emanating from the FIR on account of, first, the seriousness of the crime, second, the conduct of the accused persons, and, third, the overall impact of the crime on society at large, i.e., the accused persons were involved in a broad daylight murder which led to the closure of a market for a prolonged period of 10 days due to their overwhelming influence in the area. In the aforementioned context, the impugned orders dated April 24, 2023 and October 31, 2023 granting bail to accused Vivek Pal Urf Vicky Pal and Puneet Pal, respectively, cannot be sustained and are, accordingly, set aside. The appeals are allowed in the aforesaid terms.